We got 3.2 day 1, which is all about substitution, which you have done before as well. Chapter 3 is a lot of review. So first step in substitution is you're going to solve for x or y in one equation. Pick an equation and solve for either x or y, whatever is going to be easiest for you. Step 2, you're going to substitute in one expression into the other equation and solve. And then step 3, plug your answer in to get your other variable. So let's do an example. First one says y equals 2x, 2 minus x, and 2x plus y equals 3. Well, I already have y alone, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to plug it in right there. So when I plug it in, I got 2x plus 2 minus x equals 3. Now so you can see all my y's went away. So now I just solve for x. I got x plus 2 equals 3. Subtract 2 and I get x equals 1. There's step 1, step 2, step 3. You're going to plug your answer into one of these. So I'm going to plug it into y equals 2 minus 1, and I get y equals 1. So my solution is 1, 1. I'm always looking for a point here. Second one, I got y again, so I'm going to plug that in for y. So I got 3x plus 2, 4 plus 2x equals 1. And there we go, I went and solved. I got x equals negative 1. So now I'm going to plug it back in. Let's do it into the other equation. So y equals 4 plus 2 times negative 1. So y equals 4 minus 2, y equals 2. So my solution for this one is negative 1, 2, my x and my y value. 2 more. This one, oh, we got x by itself. So we're going to take this and we're going to plug it in for x. So I have 4, negative 5y minus 9, plus 3y equals negative 2, and solve that thing. Once I'm done solving that, I got y equals negative 2. Now we're going to plug it in back to here. So I have x equals negative 5 times negative 2 minus 9. Hope you can't see that. So I got x equals 10 minus 9, and I get 1. So my solution, remember, is an x and a y, so it would be 1, negative 2. Okay, last one. Y equals 3x minus 2 and y equals 3x plus 2. So I'm going to substitute this in for that y right there. So I got 3x plus 2 equals 3x minus 2. And when I subtract 3x over, they both go away, so I have 2 equals negative 2. And this is where you got to say, does 2 equal negative 2? No. So this is one where they're parallel, so they have the same slope, and so they're never going to intersect, so this would be no solution.